Hello everyone, we are the Reading Raptors of Shantiniketan Indian School. I am Nazia Tahseen, back with another story, and the name of the story is The Three Sons and a Bundle of Sticks. So let's get started. The story for today is Three Sons and a Bundle of Sticks. Before we get into the reading and understanding of the story, we are going to learn the pronunciation of the words that we are going to come across while reading the story. Now let's read these words and get their correct pronunciation. Number 1, quarrel, quarrel. Number 2, appreciate, appreciate. Number 3, effort, effort. Number 4, united, united. Number 5, practical, practical. Number 6, separate, separate. Number 7, agree, agree. Number 8, complete, complete. Number 9, promise, promise. And number 10 is failure, failure. Once upon a time, an old man lived with his three sons in a village. The three sons were hard workers. Still, they quarreled all the time. The old man tried a lot to unite them, but he failed. Though the villagers appreciated their hard work and efforts, they made fun of them on their fights. Months passed by and the old man fell sick. He told his sons to stay united, but they didn't listen to him. So he decided to teach them a practical lesson so that they would forget their differences and stay united. The old man called his sons. He told them, I will give you a bundle of sticks. Separate each stick, and you will have to break each stick into two. The one who breaks the sticks quickly will be rewarded more. The sons agreed. The old man gave a bundle of 10 sticks to each of them and asked them to break each stick into pieces. They broke the sticks into pieces in minutes, and again they started to quarrel among themselves as to who came first. The old man said, Dear sons, the game is not over. Now I will give another bundle of sticks to each of you. You will have to break the sticks as a bundle, not as separate sticks. The sons agreed and tried to break the bundle of sticks. Though they tried their best, they could not break the bundle. They failed to complete the task. The three sons reported their failure to their father. The old man replied, "Dear sons, see, you could easily break the single stick into pieces, but you were not able to break the bundle. So, if you stay united, nobody can do any harm to you. If you quarrel every time with your brothers, anybody can easily defeat you. I request you to stay united." The three sons understood the power of unity and promised their father that whatever be the situation, they would all stay together. I hope you all have liked the story. Now let's read these words once again: quarrel, appreciate, effort, united, practical, separate, agree, complete, promise, and failure. Now let's understand the meanings of these words through word investigation. And the first word is appreciate, which means to recognize the full worth of. The second word is separate, which means to move apart. The third word is united. United means joined together as a group. The next word is quarrel, which means an angry disagreement between two or more people or groups. And the last word is promise, which means an assurance that one will do something or that a particular thing will happen. Understanding the meanings of the words helps us to figure out the synonyms of the words. So let's look at these words and figure out their synonyms. The first word is appreciate. Synonyms of appreciate can be admire. The next word is separate. Separate synonyms can be divide. And the next words are united, quarrel, and promise are the words that you have to find the synonyms for. Now that we know the meanings and synonyms of the words, it is very easy for us to find the antonyms of the same words. Now let's look at the word. The first word is appreciate. The antonym of appreciate can be to criticize. Number two, separate. Separate antonyms can be join. Number three, united. Number four, quarrel. And number five, promise are the words that you have to find the antonyms for. Now let's move ahead to sentence creation. Remember, your sentence should be meaningful always. And the first word is appreciate. The sentence with the word appreciate can be: your hard work is highly appreciated. The second word is separate. Oil and water can be separated by using separating funnel. The third word is united, quarrel, and promised are the words that you have to create sentences for. Remember, your sentences should be meaningful. Now let's move ahead to the last segment of today's reading session, that is comprehending. Comprehending means to understand and the ability to answer the question independently. Let's look at the first question, which is unity is strength, justify. Justify means you have to give your views, you have to give reasons in support to your answer. So, my answer to the question is unity means oneness or togetherness. Unity is very important for any team or group. Only when we are united, we can enjoy the taste of success. Unity is the essence of a group's happiness. We should always remember unity is strength. So, the question number two is if you stay united, nobody can do any harm to you. Substantiate. Question number three is do you think to quarrel each other is good? Give reasons to support your answer is the assignment for today that you have to do on your own. Till then, take care.